you know, if we are really honest with ourselves, getting good marks at high school is a lot about remembering stuff and reproducing it in the way the teacher wants it to be reproduced. And that's not really what law school is about, is it?
Not really. It's about thinking, okay, law is another language, right? So if you speak English at home, you probably go, yeah, I understand this language, it's fine. If you speak another language at home, now you're learning a third language. Your home language, English, and the law language. So not only are you learning a trade as a lawyer, you're learning the language which underpins this trade. If you do not know this language, you cannot trade. It's like plumbing. You don't know what a wrench is, I don't know what a wrench is, and things which go into a plumbing. That's the language they have to learn. And so you're learning two things here: how to move in this world and how to speak in this world. So it's a whole new thing altogether. Remember when you went to a salsa class and you look like an idiot and you've got 5 left legs. Suddenly you have 5 left legs. How come I've got so many left legs? I've only got one.
I didn't realize you were watching me. I didn't realize you were watching me.
Everyone. So think about that, right? So your first week, everything's weird. Why are there numbers behind a case? Why are people writing about this case? Who cares? It's about horses and oats. Like, ugh. Why did this person who fell into a hole didn't get the compensation? Why? And further along your career, you understand how rule of law underpins this. Why do we do the things we do? And that's why I ask you to remember why you're here. Why are you doing law, aside from parental pressures? But I'm sure there's something else. Maybe you want to do graphic designing, but whilst you're here, how to make the best of it? What do you want to represent? Do you want to be the best M&A lawyer, mergers and acquisitions lawyer? Or do you want to represent social justice? Or do you want to represent women's rights? Or do you want to advance how legal information works in Australia or globally? Why are you here? And that will give you that fire to follow your subjects.
Follow your why.
Yeah, I love law, not because I want to be an award-winning lawyer, even though it looks amazing. And the gowns are amazing. Not about that. It's about I'm troubled by how law is a language which traps the administration of law. It's like the chicken and eggs situation. It's difficult to understand, so common people can't get to it, and so they hire us, and so we have to understand it, and it becomes a class system. And my journey, for me, why I became why I want to be a lawyer and why I started law was I want to understand how do we break that barrier. So what is your purpose here? Why do you want to be a lawyer? No problems, no judgments. If you want to be the most expensive M&A lawyer and litigant ever, it's fine. So then you think about, okay, if I want to be the most successful litigant, how do I do this? You need a personal trainer. You need to have a routine. You need to know how you work and adapt your strengths and weaknesses to how you work. You need to learn. Shut up and learn, pretty much. And don't be in love with yourself. You can if you're Elon Musk, and guess what? He's about to throw out from the board, but that's another matter altogether.